Welcome back. If you want to see all your pages activity on the Facebook app using your PC, this new update makes it easier to find everything in just a few taps. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can check your page likes, interests, and other page-related activity without getting lost in the menu. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your account options and give you access to your main settings. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, choose Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of your actions, interactions, and different types of activity across your account. It's the section you need if you want to review what you've been doing on Facebook. Next, tap on your Facebook activity. Inside this area, Facebook organizes your activity into different categories, so you can quickly find the part you need. Now, look for Pages and click on it. This will take you to the section related to pages you interact with on Facebook. After that, enter Pages, Page Likes and Interests. Here, you'll be able to see the pages you've liked, the interests connected to your account, and other related page activity. If you're trying to manage your account, clean up your history, or just check what pages you've engaged with, this is the place to do it. Take your time scrolling through the list, and if you want to remove or review anything, you can do that directly from this section. Facebook often updates its layout, but the path stays very similar. So if one menu looks a little different, just follow the same steps and you should find it easily. And that's how you find all your pages activity on the Facebook app on PC using the new update. If this helped you, make sure to keep following for more simple Facebook tips and tutorials.